Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the Nothing ear stick case on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Locate the seam where top meets base and find the hinge. Once done, feel for any tiny release notch or gap along the front edge and confirm the case is free of dust so nothing jams. Make sure your fingernails or a thin plastic tool are ready. This is the first actionable step toward gently prying the lid without forcing it. You now apply controlled pressure. Place your thumb or a plastic pry tool against the seam and press outward while lifting the lid edge. Once you feel movement, pause and lift steadily. Making small, even rotations toward the hinge prevents skewing. If resistance persists, relax pressure and work along the seam in small segments so clips disengage sequentially. Keep the case level. This preserves internal parts and allows the lid to open the lid fully and inspect the hinge and clip areas for obstruction or residue. This explains why it may have stuck. Once open, clean any grime with an isopropyl swab and compress air to clear dust, then close and reopen to test smoothness. If the lid still binds, make sure not to force it. Excessive force risks breaking clips. Troubleshooting tip: if clips appear cracked or misaligned, stop and contact support or a professional repair service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.